Well, hello fragrance buddies. Today let's make some fun and bubbly sugar scrub. Using a foaming bath whip base makes this a really easy project to do, even if it's your first time. But before we get started, my name is Bree and I'll be your host today in my little kitchen. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like. Without further ado, here's how to make a pink whipped sugar scrub. This is my foaming bath whip base. You might recognize it from previous videos. You're going to measure out a pound of the base in a large mixing bowl, and you're going to use a hand or a stand mixer to whip and soften the base so it doubles in volume. While you're whipping it, slowly add in 2 ounces of your favorite liquid oil. I recommend something lightweight like sweet almond oil. This will keep the scrub nice and moisturizing. Keep whipping until it becomes light and fluffy. You should see peaks like the ones you see in whipped cream. When you get here, you can add your favorite fragrance. Pink sugar is my favorite scent for sugar scrubs because, well, duh, it's just perfect for this. You only need 1 ounce for it for every pound of bath whip base you use. Go ahead and whip it in and take in all the wonderful smells. For the last step, sprinkle in some shimmery mica powder in a color that you like. Because I use pink sugar, pink is obviously going to be the best choice for this. Then we're going to add the exfoliant. Regular old white sugar is my favorite because it's gently exfoliating. If you want something a little tougher for exfoliating feet, knees, and elbows, you can swap this out for sea salt or ground apricot kernels. But for full body exfoliation, fine grained sugar is perfectly okay. Use a spatula to fold the mica and sugar in and give it one last whip to make sure it's nice and airy before you fill your containers. To make a pretty swirl into your jars, fit a piping bag with a large frosting piping tip like this 9FT tip that I'm going to be using. So go ahead and scoop the scrub into the piping bag and swirl it into your jars. To help the scrub squeeze out, twist the top of the piping bag. Top it off with a cute little swirl and it looks just like frosting. I like to overfill a jar or two for extra pretty product pictures like this one, but make sure you can cap off the other ones that you have as well. Aren't they just so cute? And that's all you need to do. With only 5 ingredients and 10 or so minutes needed, you can make tons of sugar scrubs and all your favorite scents. So head on over to FragranceBuddy.com to pick some up today. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can become a Fragrance Buddy. Don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have them, and I'll see y'all next time. Be sure to stay scented, my friends.